Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove powered by Blogger on your Blogger site. Okay, let's go to the video. Now I am on my Blogger dashboard. You can see here on the left side layout and theme. First I will open these options in separate tabs. Open this theme and open layout in another tab. Okay, as you can see here, powered by Blogger, it is on the footer, so we need to remove this widget from footer. Okay, let's see how to do that. Here you can see this is the footer, this attribution gadget. This is on powered by Blogger on attribution gadget. Let's see. Yeah, click on pencil icon, but here there is no option to remove this attribution. Okay, now you need to go to theme. Click on theme and go here. This is your current theme. Now you can see here arrow icon. Click on this arrow. Then you can see here edit HTML. Click on that. Okay, don't worry about this coding. It is very simple thing to do. You can see here this icon, jump to widget. Click on this. Now scroll down. You can see here attribution 1. Click on this. Okay, this is the attribution widget. You can see here. You can see here locked. It is also true. We need to do it as false. Look at carefully. Locked. It is false. Now you can see here again show add element. We need to change it as true. Also here you can see visible. We need to change it as false. Now everything is done. Now you can see here save icon. Click on save. Now again come to layout and you can see here save button and click on save. Okay, after that you can see here pencil icon. Click on pencil icon. Now you can see here remove button. Now we can remove this. Click on remove. Yes. Now again you need to click on save. Okay, so now let's see our site. Yes, now you can see it has removed. Okay, let's see now let's see how to add okay, let's see our can refresh it. Now you can see here add the gadget. Go to layout and refresh it. Now you can see add a gadget. Now we can add our own text. Click on HTML JavaScript. Click on that. Now you can type your website name. Copyright. the wood master. Now click on save. Okay, now let's see our site. Okay, now we can see how is your site looking, and we have removed copyright powered by Blogger, and we added our own text, the footer. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.